we're trying to do right now is trying to go through all the specs between the installers of the blinds, which are us, Camacho Blinds, and then also the electrician, which is Orlando, the electrician, and trying to see if where the motors are at, where he's gonna put the electricity, and how it's gonna look the nicest, where it's gonna be more functional. We also add outlets. Sometimes we just throw in the outlets because we need to run tubing, so might as well just do it for the client. So the electrician's a great guy. So right. So we're gonna put an outlet here, and then he's gonna put a tube that goes across to get electricity down to our shades. He's gonna give him a complementary outlet that the clients don't have. You know, it goes. There he is. With a very heavy bottom rail. This is heavy duty stuff, man. This is definitely not for an insect.
Si no quiere, vete para el carajo.
Si quiero.
Ah, bueno, ya otra cosa.
Yeah, but only one person. Like so. Okay, we're good.
Good.
Yeah. Us before the electricity to come up, it allows us to use the blind and keep installing while the electricians keep going. So, but it's not going to be like this. You know, there's other companies that leave it like this. They plug into the wall and that's it. That's not professional. You have to do electrical work, please. Very strong. This thing ain't going nowhere. Solid. Solid.
Good? Good? Sorry. Your end's on in,
motorized, it's true. With shades that fit just right, customizing for your space. Transforming every room, adding style and grace. Elevate your home, let the sun shine in. Camacho Blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for the sky. Elevate your space, feel the rhythm and light. With shapes so perfect, everything feels right. Vertical or horizontal, we've got what you need. Zebra shapes that flow, design is guaranteed. With a touch of a button, control your atmosphere. Motorized bliss, making every moment clear. Your vision, your style.